Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's lesson is a long English practice lesson for daily life. If you want to speak English fluently and confidently in real life situations, this video is perfect for you. This lesson is designed for beginners and intermediate English learners. So relax, listen carefully, repeat after me, and practice speaking aloud. Let's begin. Many English learners study grammar for years, but still cannot speak English confidently in daily life. Why? Because speaking English is different from studying English. To speak fluently, you must listen every day, think in English, repeat useful sentences, and learn real English used in daily life. Think in English. One big mistake English learners make is translating every sentence from their native language into English. This makes speaking slow and difficult. Fluent speakers do not translate. They think directly in English. For example, instead of translating, I am feeling very hungry at this moment, native speakers usually say, I am really hungry. Simple English is powerful English. The more simple your English becomes, the more fluent you sound. Speak every day. Many students only study English, but they do not practice speaking. Imagine learning to drive by only reading books. Is that enough? Of course not. Speaking English is a skill, and every skill improves with practice. Even 15 minutes of speaking practice every day can improve your English dramatically. Talk to yourself, read aloud, repeat sentences, shadow native speakers. Daily practice creates fluency. Don't fear mistakes. Many people are afraid of making mistakes because of fear. They stay silent, but mistakes are normal. Children make thousands of mistakes while learning their first language, and that is why they improve so quickly. Mistakes are not your enemy. Mistakes are your teacher. Every mistake helps you grow. So speak more or less. Confidence comes from practice, not perfection. Learn English phrases. Many learners memorize single words, but native speakers usually speak in phrases. For example, instead of learning only hungry, learn I am hungry, I am starving. Let's get something to eat. Instead of learning only tired, learn I am tired, I'm exhausted. I need some rest. Learning phrases helps you speak faster and more naturally. Listen to English every day. Listening is extremely important if you want to speak English well. You must listen a lot. The more English you hear, the more natural it becomes. Listen to podcasts, YouTube videos, movies, interviews, and conversations. Even if you do not understand everything, keep listening. Your brain slowly adapts to the language. Consistency is the key. How to build confidence. Confidence does not appear magically. Confidence grows through action. The more you speak English, the more confident you become. Start with simple sentences. How are you? I'm fine. What are you doing? I'm going to work. Small steps create big progress. Do not wait to become perfect before speaking. Speak now. Improve later. Use English in daily life. Bring English into your daily routine. For example, think in English while cooking. Describe your day in English. Read simple English articles. Change your phone language to English. Speak to yourself in English. Daily exposure improves fluency naturally. English should become part of your life, not only a school subject. How to remember vocabulary. Many learners forget vocabulary quickly. Why? Because they memorize words without context. Instead of memorizing long vocabulary lists, learn words inside sentences. For example, instead of learning delicious, learn this food is delicious. Dinner was absolutely delicious. Context helps memory, and repetition makes vocabulary permanent. Improve your pronunciation. Good pronunciation is not about sounding perfect, it is about sounding clear. One great method is shadowing. Shadowing means listen and repeat immediately. Stop using complex English. Many learners try to use very difficult words, but native speakers often use simple English. Simple English sounds natural. English takes time. Fluency does not happen overnight. Learning a language is a journey. Some days feel easy, some days feel difficult. That is normal. Do not quit. Every day our practice brings improvement. Even when progress feels slow, you are improving. Be patient with yourself. Fluency is not perfect grammar. Many learners believe fluency means speaking without mistakes. That is not true. Even native speakers make grammar mistakes sometimes. Fluency means speaking comfortably, expressing ideas clearly, and communicating naturally. Do not focus only on grammar, focus on communication. If you truly want to speak English fluently, practice every day, listen every day, speak every day, think in English every day. Do not study English only for exams. Use English to communicate. Little daily progress becomes huge success over time. And to remember, fluent English is not impossible. You can do it. Just stay consistent and never give up. Thank you for watching. I hope this lesson helps you improve your English speaking and listening skills. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, share with your friends.